I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at how I saved myself over $500 per year switching out my track lights for these new track lights from Torkase. So this is the fixture in my kitchen here. You can see it's a dual track light. These used to be halogen bulbs. And if you count them here, I'll do it quickly. There are 12 bulbs on these two track lights. And each of those was a 50-watt halogen bulb. So do the math there. It means it was using 600 watts just to run these track lights in my kitchen. So that's a lot of power. And I keep these on for about 8 hours a day. So that means I was burning through about 1,700 kilowatt hours of power per year. And with California prices where I live, that means I was spending about $560 a year on the electricity just for these fixtures. And with halogens, I think it's easy to make that mistake and not realize how much power they're burning through because they are so small. So what I did to change that was to swap these out for LED track light bulbs from Torkase. So here's the bulb. You can see it's got this diffusing kind of layer around the side to get rid of any heat that's generated. You've got the actual element here. It looks like they've got 5 LEDs, maybe some around the side here, reflectors. And then it's got a GU10 base. This plugs in and then just twists to lock in place. It's not like a traditional bulb where you have to screw it all the way in. This is a 2700 Kelvin, so it's basically like a traditional incandescent bulb. And you can see the best part here, it is only 5 watts. So this is fully dimmable also, which is definitely great to see. And it's going to work on your traditional house current 120 volts. So I swapped out all 12 of those bulbs for these Torkase bulbs. And you can see again, these are burning bright. They're really lighting up the room, very directed light. I've got them shining all around. And even though it's nighttime now, these are doing a great job of lighting the space, but they are using about a tenth of the amount of power that the fixture used before. So 50 watts down to 5 watts per bulb. And that's saving me almost $500 per year in the cost of electricity on this single fixture. So that's a huge savings overall.